Starting with the 2025 Dodge Super, the exterior design exudes modern aggression and technological sophistication. The body panels are crafted from lightweight aluminum and composite materials, enhancing both strength and efficiency. LED headlights and taillights feature dynamic lighting sequences that not only improve visibility, but also add to the vehicle's commanding presence. The grille incorporates active shutter technology, optimizing aerodynamics at high speeds. In terms of security and locking mechanisms, the Dodge Super is equipped with a suite of advanced features. The keyless entry system uses proximity sensors, allowing owners to unlock the vehicle simply by approaching with the key fob in their pocket or bag. The fob itself includes a fingerprint scanner for biometric security, ensuring only authorized users can access the vehicle. The doors are fitted with reinforced locks that integrate with the vehicle's central locking system, which can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app. This app offers real-time lock-unlock status, remote start, and vehicle location tracking, perfect for European urban environments or busy American streets. The interior of the Dodge Super is a showcase of modern luxury and security. The doors feature power locks with reinforced latch mechanisms, complemented by an interior security alarm system that activates if unauthorized entry is detected. The vehicle's infotainment system allows for multiple lock and security settings, including automatic locking when the vehicle reaches a certain speed or when the owner leaves the vehicle unattended. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with interior motion sensors that trigger alarms if unauthorized access is detected when the car is parked. Moving to the 1965 Ford Mustang, the design reflects the era's classic styling and simplicity. The exterior features a sleek, streamlined silhouette with chrome accents, a distinctive grille and round headlights. The fastback profile and racing stripes, if optional, add to its sporty look. The body panels are steel, with a minimalistic approach to aerodynamics compared to modern standards. Regarding security, the 1965 Mustang's locking system was straightforward. It utilized mechanical door locks operated by a key, usually a traditional metal key that was inserted into the door lock cylinder. The trunk lock was similarly keyed, securing the vehicle's contents. Due to the technological limitations of the era, security systems were minimal. There were no electronic locks or alarm systems. Owners relied heavily on physical deterrents, such as steering wheel locks or wheel clamps. The interior of the 1965 Mustang was designed with style and comfort in mind. The doors featured manual locks with simple push buttons or key-operated mechanisms. Security was basic. No remote locking, no alarms. Just the physical lock and the driver's vigilance. The seats were upholstered in vinyl or leather, and the dashboard housed analog gauges with minimal electronic components. Finally, the 1970 Dodge Charger is an icon of muscular, aggressive styling with a long, wide stance. Its exterior boasts a bold front grille, quad headlights, and a prominent hood scoop, highlighting its performance heritage. The body is constructed from steel panels, with optional vinyl roof coverings for added flair. The Charger's profile exudes power, often finished with striking paint colors and racing stripes. In terms of security, the 1970 Charger's locking system was similar to the 1965 Mustang, primarily mechanical. The doors used key-operated locks, and the trunk was secured with a keyed lock as well. Electronic security systems were non-existent. The emphasis was on physical deterrence. Some owners might have added aftermarket steering wheel locks or padlocks to enhance security. The interior of the 1970 Charger features manual door locks operated by keys or push buttons, with a straightforward layout centered around driver control. The dashboard contains analog gauges and basic control switches. Due to the period's technological limitations, security features were limited to physical locks and perhaps aftermarket alarm systems added later by owners seeking extra protection against theft.